Hi friends, welcome to Series 3 Tech News. In this Java series, it is 5th video. If you miss watching my previous sessions, please find links in description. By now you guys are aware what is variable and how to declare it and how to initialize a variable. So today we are going to discuss about operators. So what is operator? Operators are special symbols that perform a specific operation on one or two or three operands and then return a result. Here what is operand? Operand is nothing but a variable. So finally operators are special symbols that perform a specific operation. So there are many types of operators we have. So in that one is unary operator. So what is unary operator? It performs operation on single operand. Again I'm saying operand is nothing but a variable. That means these unary operators will have only one variable. On that variable only it will be performing operation. It is again categorized as two types. A is increment or decrement by one value. That means using these unary operators we can increment by one or decrement by one. So in increment or decrement by one is again defined into two different types. One is pre-increment or pre-decrement and post-increment or post-decrement. The second category is not operator. It performs operation on boolean values. Hope you are clearing what exactly it is. In order to understand the increment or decrement process like pre-increment, pre-decrement, post-increment, post-decrement, we need to understand variable from memory perspective. So let's say if we are defining a variable of integer type int abc, abc is a variable name here. So how exactly the memory reacts? So there will be a memory. Let's consider this is a memory. So this integer data type is gonna occupy 4 bytes. It will go inside memory and it will find a 4 bytes free space. Let's consider this is a 4 byte. In this 4 bytes it will give the name as ABC. That means this memory location name is ABC. Using this ABC variable we are referring this particular memory location. For now ABC is not initialized, so it will not contain any value. Let's consider. So this is the first line of code where ABC memory location is created with 4 bytes because we are using int data type. Let's assign some value ABC equal to 10. When this particular operation is performing, what exactly it means is take this 10 from here and put it into the ABC variable. So how exactly in memory it allocates? So it will take this 10 from here and it will put into the 4 bytes memory space that is being assigned to this ABC variable. So whenever we are making any change to that ABC value, like ABC equal to, now I am assigning 12, then how exactly it will go to the same ABC location. It will remove this 10 from here and then it will replace this 10 with 12. That is how it actually works. Now we will learn about pre-increment or post-increment. So for increment or decrement process we will be using plus plus. This is one unary operator. For decrement it will be using minus minus. This is also a unary operator. How we are defining pre-increment or post-increment? Pre-increment, the plus plus operator will come first and then the variable name operand will come. That means first increment this operator. Pre-increment. What is post-increment? How we can define post-increment? So in post-increment operand will come first and then the increment values will come. Similarly pre-decrement, it means first it comes minus minus and then operand. Post-decrement, so operand will come first and then minus minus symbol will come. We will be taking an example so you will be very much clear about this. So in the same ABC variable I am creating int ABC equal to 10. I am assigning 10 directly. That means in the memory space, consider this is the ABC memory location. So since we are directly assigning 10 value to the ABC, so 10 will be putting over here. Now let's say if we are performing operation of plus plus operand, what exactly it means? Increment ABC first means go to this ABC, take this 10, add 1 and then replace it with that value. That means 10 plus 1 equal to 11. So 10 is gonna delete it and 11 will be replacing over here. Let's say we have another variable called in B, but it does not have any value assigned. Let's say now we are assigning B equal to plus plus ABC. What B will be storing? Plus plus ABC it means. So 11 it is gonna store into this B value, because first it is gonna increment and then add it to the B. Now let's say B equal to plus plus ABC plus, here you will get to know what exactly the pre-increment and post increment, and ABC plus plus. So this is the pre-increment and this is the post increment. What value it is gonna store into the B? Since ABC contains 11, first it increments the value of ABC. That means it will remove this 11 and it replace with 12 by increasing 1. So in this total we will be getting 12 as output plus ABC plus plus. This is like a post increment. That means first get the value which is present in the memory, that means 12, and then increment this value by 1. So 12 remove and put 13. That means ABC value first get and then post increment by 1. So finally B is gonna store 24. You got it right? Pre-increment means first increment and then get the value. Post increments means first get the value and then increment. Similarly, pre-decrement and post decrement, same way. Let's consider I am using minus minus ABC and then plus ABC minus minus. So how exactly it performs? What value ABC contains? 13, right? First decrement that. First decrement ABC. That means 13 becomes minus 1. It is like 12. Get the 12 value here and then plus. What is this? Post decrement. That means first get the value which is present in the memory, that is like 12, and then decrease the value by 1, like 12 becomes 11 here. So B equal to 12 plus 12, 24. You got it? It is a bit confused, but I'll tell you again. Pre-increment means first increase the value in the memory itself and get that. What is post increment means? Whatever value currently present in the memory, get that value and then increase the value. If you have still concerns, so please let me know. I'll explain a bit way. Anyway, we will be looking at one Java program, so you will get aware of it. And we need to see a not operator. So the symbol for this not operator is, so this has been used and this is only used for boolean values only. Let's say you have a boolean of boolean p equal to true. If you are using not b, then it becomes false. It just opposite sign of current boolean value. If you are again using not b, since it has a false, it will be like true. B equal to not b, it means like false it will be assigning. If we are trying to not b, it becomes true. False becomes true, true becomes false. If you are using not symbol, if b contains false, it becomes true. If b contains true, it becomes false. Anyway, we will be looking at one Java program, so you will be very much clear about it.
In Unary Operator, we will be creating a Unary Operator class. So To start running any code, we need a main method. So if you type main, it will be coming main method. Here, let's consider int abc equal to 10 we are assigning, and there is a variable called int b which is not assigned anything. Now we are trying to perform some operations post increment pre-increment operations. So you will get to know how exactly it works. Let's say b equal to, I am doing plus plus abc plus abc plus plus. So plus plus abc is a pre-increment, abc plus plus is a post increment. How exactly it works, so we will see from a memory point of view as well. In memory, abc value is 10 for now in this particular line. So b does not have any value, and now we are performing this particular operation. So if we are performing plus plus abc, so what exactly it means, so increment one value before taking the value to this particular position. That means 10 becomes 11 here. So by this position it will be becoming 11. Here p becomes 11 plus here abc plus plus, that means post increment. That means first get the value of abc which is present in abc, that is 11, and then increment abc memory with one extra value like plus one value. That means abc becomes 12 and b becomes 11 plus 11. Let's just print it b value, so you will get to know. Also print it abc value, you will see whether this is matching our understanding or not. Let's run unary operator so you can see this. So first we are printing b value becomes 22 because 11 plus 11 22, and abc becomes 12, it is 12 here. Hope you got how exactly the memory is updating the value when it is a pre-increment and post increment. Similarly, we will see another example for decrement. Let's say there is a int a equal to 50, and consider int t equal to nothing for now, but we will be assigning the value here in pre-decrement of a and then post decrement of a. So can anyone guess what is the value of it? Currently a equal to 50 and currently d is nothing actually. So d will be performing this particular operation. Here minus minus a it is saying, so it is like pre-decrement. That means decrease the value of a by 1, that is like 50 becomes 49. So and then get that value, it's like 49 plus a minus minus, it means get the value of a, it is like a post decrement. So we need to get value of a which is present in the currently memory, that is like 49, and then decrease the a value by 1, that means a becomes 48 decreased by 1 and becomes 48. So finally d becomes 49 plus 49, that equal to 108. So we'll print and see whether it is printing correctly or not. So it should match this value. abc becomes 12, abc is 12 and b value is 22. Here 98 is okay, 40 40 80 98, okay, this is just 98. Sorry, my human mistake. 98 and a becomes 48, so it is printing 48. 98 and 48. Let's go to the not operator. So not operator will be using this particular symbol not. Let's say we have a boolean b1 equal to false. Consider b1 is a false value. If we are printing b1, what it is gonna print, it is gonna print false, right? Let's comment out everything here, we no need of this for now, we just need this. So let's run unary operator. b1 is printing false. If we are using not symbol, this b1 false becomes true. Run it. See, true. Similarly, if b1 is having true value, then not b1 becomes false, right? Run it. False. So this is the not operator. It just converts a boolean value from actual value to the opposite value. And post increment, pre increment, pre decrement, post decrement. Hope all you clear with these topics. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for upcoming videos.